Hey guys, real quick video. I thought I'd do a video for you. We brought grapes home from the vineyard recently. You probably saw a video we did on that. However, ever since we brought those grapes home, we have been in fruit fly Hades. And so here's what we're doing about that. If you ever have fruit flies around your home, here's a good way to knock them out, is to do this. So right here, you have a mason jar. It's a quart mason jar with a small neck, and it has this paper funnel that I made and stapled and taped. And the fruit flies just hover around here and boop, down they go. And in the bottom of the jar is, you can probably see some of the fruit flies in there. There's a dead one floating there, right there. And so basically you have apple cider vinegar. See the fruit flies in there moving around? Apple cider vinegar, they're attracted to that and in they go. And so we've been emptying these out once a day. They're pretty good at catching these things. Let me show you another one. So I have one there, right here. This is our bathroom, and I have another one. Lighting is here is horrible, sorry about that, but there's another one right there. See the fruit flies moving around in it? Look at that. Yeah. So, sorry for the bad lighting, but this thing works. And then we have one over here in the kitchen. Jamie is listening to her headphones, and there's the other one. So, we have one in the kitchen. And we were catching a majority of them in here because of the amount of fruit that we have. Obviously, the grapes that we had in here is where most of them we're concentrating on, but I think we've knocked most of them out in here. But, and so, Jamie's evening glass of wine has to have a cover on it, otherwise fruit flies will get into it. So, but we have fruit, you know, on our counter. We have apples, and we have bananas, things like that. It all attracts the fruit flies. And it seems like this year, we've never really had a big problem with them, but this year we had kind of an issue with them after we brought home those grapes. I think they hitched a ride home with that. So anyway, just a quick video. Great way to get rid of fruit flies is a mason jar, a funnel, apple cider vinegar, and they will come to you. All right, guys. See you next time in the homestead.